Okay, I am going to be feeding these 3 items to our chickens and seeing which one they like the best. There's Ritz crackers, Doritos, and ice cream cone pieces. I'm going to pause the video and go get our chickens. Okay, I'm up at our chicken coop here, but I don't think the chickens are inside of it. And I'm not sure where they're at. So, yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, found the chickens.
This thing, chickens can eat dirty stuff.
Come on.
Don't see it. They're eating stuff. They will eat. It's weird. They just walk and eat. Look at faces when they eat.
That one's curious. Oh. The noise when he ate it freaked him out. Okay. So far they like the Ritz. He's running away with the cracker.
Let's do that.
Okay, well now, so they like the Ritz crackers.
Let's see. I want to see them do that again.
Let's see if they come back for more.
Can I just put this on there since I don't need it?
Yeah, you could set the rest of the ice cream cone on there.
Just there.
There's a robin over there.
Where?
He's on the chair.
Oh, there he is.
Okay. I think the chickens may have finished the cracker.
He stepped on it.
I think now they're trying to find more pieces inside the grass instead of coming back to just eat it from the plate.
Let's just give them it.
Wait, no. Let's wait for them to come back.
So, maybe we should just leave it there all morning. So they're just, when they're over there, they'll probably just grab a Ritz cracker and walk away.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
It was so funny how he just went away.
I'm actually surprised they didn't just come back over here to get more.
Yeah.
Instead, they're picking through the grass.
What'd you say?
I said I'm surprised that they're not coming back over here to get more, and instead they're picking through the grass.
Uh-huh. Maybe they
Here,
just need a real extra vitamin for them.
Here, maybe if I scoot it back over to them.
Yeah, they'll take it with crackers.
Back up. Oh, yep. Now they want it. They want it really bad. Every time they bite it, they freak out. Okay, now their favorite is the ice cream cone chunks.
Okay.
No, he's running away with it. The other one wants some of it. That's kind of hilarious. No, he's still running. He just keeps running. He's still running. He's still going. He's playing keep away with the other chicken. What the heck? Now the other chicken has it. The other chicken has it and is running away from him. What? What? I gave it an ice cream cone piece. And they apparently like it.
Chase each other forever.
Yeah, they're just chasing each other. Now the original one has it. They're just going in circles. Now they're over here somewhere. Yep, they're over here. No, they're just running. They just keep running. Okay, that might be a while. They might keep doing this for a while. Oh, now they're in the trees. Oh my gosh, what are these chickens doing?
I don't know. What?
Well, now they're inside the trees.
Where'd the horses go?
I don't know, they're somewhere else. Oh, I think they got moved to the other pasture.
Okay, let's go in. Come on.
Okay.
Let's go.
Nope, they're running again. They're doing some more circles.
No. No.
They're still running. Okay, well now they're inside the trees, kind of.
Just so you know, there's a gate at the outside of the trees.
Yeah, there's a gate.
I'll figure out myself how.
It's actually a
chasing
fence.
chicken there to get out of our path.
I think they finally ate it. They finally got to it.
Come on, let's take them back.
Come on, let's get them back. I'm gonna pause the video and then I'll start it up once we're back. They're sprinting back. I think they know there's more. Okay, I'm back. Come here. Come have the things.
Oh, he's coming.
Oh, I think he knows what it is. Is he gonna go for the Dorito this time?
No, I don't know.
He can't decide. Nope, he wants the ice cream cone.
Is that like
He really likes the ice cream cone chunks.
Wait, maybe that one likes the ice cream cone and the other one likes the Ritz crackers.
I think they both really like the ice cream cone. None of them have tried the Doritos yet, though. Oh, now he's going for the Ritz crackers. The other chicken's hiding in the chicken coop.
The A in one.
Here, I'm gonna try and give him a Dorito. Have a Dorito. Have a Dorito. Try it. Try the Dorito.
Sit next to it.
Nope. All he wants is the ice cream pieces.
Yep.
Ice cream cone pieces.
Move the salvage away.
Yeah, move the Dorito. That's all he wants.
Yeah.
Just the ice cream cone.
Yep.
Well, I guess now I know which one of these things they like the most. I think it's definitely the ice cream cone.
Yep.
They haven't even tried the Dorito.
Let's just get the Alan and have them follow each other again. Whoa, that was cool.
Okay.
Okay.
Yep, nope, he definitely likes the ice cream cone. He keeps going back for it again and again and again and again. I really want him to try a Dorito. Here, I'm going to try and give him a Dorito.
I don't think
Have a Dorito.
Wait, maybe
Here, try it. Try the Dorito. He doesn't even want anything to do with the Dorito.
Oh.
Wait, nope. He just wants the ice cream cone pieces.
Try doing this.
What?
This.
Wait. Let's try covering the ice cream cone pieces in Doritos.
Yeah.
Maybe he'll like it more. There. No, he won't touch the Doritos. He'll go straight through the center of them to not touch the Doritos. Like he just wants the ice cream. Here, don't mess. Oh my gosh, he just loves it. Maybe if the Doritos are in smaller pieces.
Come on.
Maybe they'll like it more if they're in smaller pieces.
He just pulled it out of my hand. Look. He pulled it out of my hands, right?
Yes. Okay. Nope. Okay, he's done now, I think.
Nope. I'll will him.
Okay. He's coming back.
Come on.
Nope. He just doesn't want the Doritos.
Wait.
I mean, I want to see a chicken eat a Dorito, but he just doesn't like the Doritos.
What if I do this? A combo.
A combo? What does that even mean?
Look. With
Oh.
cracker and...
Oh, like mix them
Yeah.
together? I don't think
Oh,
the chicken
he
will.
just pulled it. He just ripped it apart.
Wow.
Jeez. He really...
I still want to see him eat some Doritos.
Uh-huh. Me too.
I don't know if I should end the video or not.
You saw it.
No, I'm not gonna. This is kind of entertaining still.
Uh-huh.
Where's the other chicken? Hold on, I'll be right back. What's he doing? What's he doing that's so interesting inside of here? I have no clue. Oh, he might be laying an egg.
Oh, he bit my hand when he saw crumbs.
Do you see the crumbs on your hand and try and eat them?
Yeah, what?
Nope, this time he's not doing it.
Wait for it. Wait. I have a one with a real piece of Ritz cracker. Oh, see? And now watch this. Grind up Ritz cracker on my hand. Watch. Watch.
Mm-hmm.
Come on. Look at him.
Yeah.
Watch him.
Okay.
He's begging my hand.
I think I'm gonna end the video, maybe.
Wait, no.
No, not yet.
The Ellen's in the chicken coop.
Yeah, but he's probably laying an egg, so he won't be back for a while.
Oh!
He had the Dorito. Yeah. Yes. Now, does he like the Doritos now? Wait, see if he'll eat. Yes, he likes Doritos.
Wait,
Mission accomplished.
Wait.
We got him to eat Doritos.
wait.
Wait, let's see if he goes for the Doritos on the plate. No, stop feeding him. Yep, he likes Doritos now. Doritos are his new favorite.
Yep, and let me see.
I'm not sure.
Oh!
Oh, you just ate it out of your hand. I'm not. Okay. He really likes it from your hands too.
Look at him.
He's having trouble getting it out of your two fingers.
Ow! My hand. Ow. Ow. Ow.
Jeez, dude.
Did you? No. You out it.
This is pretty funny.
Ow. He is begging my hand.
No, he decided he doesn't want to get it out of your hands because it's too
Are you
hard.
sure? Look,
Yeah, he's sure.
watch this though. Wait. I just have to give him a real use. Here. Now,
Very nice.
look. Ow!
Dude, if it's hurting your fingers, don't do it. Jeez, don't
Bit me.
screech.
He won't bit me. Come on, bit me.
Nah, nope. Okay, I'm gonna end the video. That was hilarious, though. See ya. That was our chickens trying out some food, some different foods. I think they like the ice cream cones the best, but you can leave what one you think they like the best in the comments. Bye.